when you look at fellowships, I think you should look at three things. The first thing is education. So, what are they being taught? What's the curriculum like? Do they have courses? And then what's the faculty that's there? And then the second thing I would say is to look at, for example, what type of cases they do there. So the clinical cases are important. And then the third thing I think for me is really looking at, whether it's a combined program like neurosurgery and orthopedics, or if it's just orthopedics. And I think, depending on what you want to do afterwards, I think that will really influence your decision on fellowship programs. Are we good? Cool. Great. Awesome. Good stuff, Ben. Have a great weekend. Is there anything going on?